Turn to Hy-Vee for the sweetest and juiciest varieties of pears. There's no compare-ison. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to make the simple fall salad that's perfect to enjoy before Thanksgiving or any large holiday meal. Blue cheese pear salad with walnuts. I'm going to start by making this quick and easy dressing. All it takes is Hy-Vee canola oil, Gustari Vita red wine vinegar, a little Hy-Vee Dijon mustard, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Whisk that around, and voila, your dressing is made. And now we'll build the base. I'm using mixed greens today. Hy-Vee has a great variety of organic options when picking your lettuce. A good tip is to remember, the darker the greens, the higher the nutrition, full of vitamin K, antioxidants, and iron. Next, I'll add in my cubed, juicy pears. I like to leave the skin on for extra fiber. And drizzle my dressing over the top. You want to distribute the dressing, so use some tongs and mix this all up. And now we'll add the toppings. I've already toasted my walnuts, which is super easy to do. This will add extra crunch and nutty flavor. And top it off with some blue cheese crumbles. Doesn't this look delicious? Find other recipes and ideas on how to use fresh pears in the latest issue of Hy-Vee Seasons magazine or on Hy-Vee.com. For more tips to keep you and your family healthy, ask your local Hy-Vee dietitian.